Hey everyone, I'm Raina, the VP of Iceology here at Everest. Today I'm with Lucius. He's one of our equipment specialists and he's going to walk you through how to use an Everest VX. Take it away, Lucius.
Thanks, Raina. I'm here with the Everest VX machine. It's a very simple machine to use. It's a simple 4-step process that I'm going to walk you through now.
Bagged ice. Insert payment 3 ways: bill, coin, or card. Grab a bag. Place the bag on the chute. Press the ice button. Hold the bag tightly. Grab a twist tie. Twist the bag and tie it. End the transaction. If you want to vend ice into a cooler, do this. Insert payment 3 ways: bill, coin, or card. Put the container under the chute. Press the ice button. Receive the ice. Finally, end the transaction. If you would like to vend water into a container, do this. Insert payment 3 ways: bill, coin, or card. Put the container under the spout. Press the water button. 1 gallon will be dispensed. End the transaction.
That's it. Very simple and easy to use.
4 steps to fresh ice and fresh water. If you have any questions, click the link below or contact us at sales@everesticeandwater.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.